Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers, and this is the pre-market predictions for Nifty using Elliott wave theory. So before we get into this analysis, this is my disclaimer, read carefully. So let's move on to SGX Nifty. So yesterday we stopped here, and what I said, what I expect, this could be the end of the trend and one more three-way structures to reach this 17,215. Anyway, I am looking for this zone, but it already did that 17,300 zone. So how I'm looking here is whether the intermediate wave of 3 is also in five-way structures. It seems like that, like this. One second. Yeah, so this is looking like the finishing of the third wave here. So the third and fourth wave is ended here in the triangle formation, and fifth wave is got completed. Later onwards, what I expected is this zone in a three-way structure. So it already came into the three-way structure, and again it broke the high. So this is also a three-way structure. So now I am looking for this wave 1, this is the wave 2, the whole thing becomes wave 3. So this is the end of the third wave. So for the green wave, so now we are in that fourth wave. So the fourth wave is, we may sorry, looking for the rejections in that 23.6, because the wave 3 is got extended above the 2618, like this. Wave 1 rejections for the wave 2, it's almost 2618. So we may expect only the 23.6, but in the scenario of extension case, this could reach the 38.2, but I'm not looking in that. I'm looking only for this zone. So whether it is making a consolidations for the fourth wave, I'm looking like that only. So it could be like this kind of triangle also. So from here it could make like this. After that, the three-way structure, and this could be A, B, C, D and E. Later onwards it can go like a triangle breakout for the fifth wave. So my target is around nearly 17,550 I'm expecting, but what we expecting market it won't do. So the another possibility is we are looking for this triangle, but it could be like that irregular flat also, because it's already broken the previous high of here. So it could be again, we are expecting this, and it will get invalidated for the people who entered earlier, looking like a triangle. They entered previous itself and they making the stop loss of this, and it will took all the stop loss here, and it will make an irregular flat of expanded flat. Later onwards it may move like this. So this is the second possibility I'm looking for the SGX Nifty. So once again I will remove this. So what are the another possibility is, see, we are looking only in the 15-minute chart, but in either some news fact and the news is releases, and if it did like this market, so in the bigger picture, if it did like this, just go through the 4-hour chart, look at this. We in the 15-minute chart we did, as this is a wave 1, this is the wave 2, so this whole thing becomes a so this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and this is a wave 3, and we are in the wave 4 and looking for that 17,550. But if we look all over this, what we will do is the whole thing becomes a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 and wave 5. So if we calculate like that also, if the market it did like this, what I'm trying to explain is, if the market is reacts to some users and if it reach the 17,000 zone in the bigger three-way structure, so this will become 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I will hide all those things. So now I'm looking whether it could make one more high also, possibly today at the consolidations, and if it did the triangle it will took more time, and if it is an irregular flat also it will took more time. But if one thing, if because it's also already it's doing the three-way structure here also, so whether this could be a triangle also, lot of possibilities is there. So then one second, so here is the end of means A B C D E, later onwards it can move from here also for the fifth way. So within another 2 hours of time it could reach like this, and immediately it can bounce and the Nifty will be gap up. So and here also what I'm looking here is it's more than 17,600 also. Why I'm looking like this means, see, we did like this kind of wave in the five-way structure. So here also it won't hit and immediately it won't come to the downside. It will make another five-way structure like this. So for example, for this wavelength and here, if we placed, if it is a triangle or if it is doing like this kind of triangle, approximately I'm looking for 17,636 and above. So here also we can get another five-way structure and it will keep extending, means that is the end of the third. That is why I have kept this as a third wave here. So once it's all the wave, it's looking like 1 2, so 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the 1, this is the 2 3 4 5, and the third wave is completed nearly. I'm expecting the 17,650 zone. Later onwards only the bigger three-way structures, and again it will get rejected and it may reach the same zone only. I'm looking for this 17,350. Once if it reached that 17,650 zone. So this is my views so far. So there is a lot of chances, but it won't do like this. I'm not expecting and I'm not biased on this. So forget about this wavelength. But what I'm cautiously I'm expecting, it may do like that also. So market will go up and down. So you said every all possibilities. So how can we trade means? We have to look for this, what kind of wave formation is doing here. If it again breaks, we have to wait and watch. But my target is, what I am expecting is 17,636 and above. But here, what kind of wave formation it will do? We need a clear picture, right? So far, what we expecting it is doing. So here also, I am expecting the three possibilities. We have to wait for that to trigger. So I expected that 17,240, right? And it came nearly 17,300. So another 60, whether it will reach here or it may do a consolidations and make a triangle and then again it can shoot for that 17,600. Let's wait for that. So Nifty, it's also, see, it's here what I expected, the five-way structure. It is also looking like a three-way structure. So consolidation in the Nifty is going on. So whether this is a 1 2 or this is a whole thing becomes a kind of 1 and 2 1 and 2, I'm not looking here any clear picture here in the Nifty. So whether this is a diagonal formation of 1 and this is the 3, so this is like it's not yet completed the 4, and later or not it can shoot like this. This wavelength can occur here. So anyway, I'm looking for that 17,550 to 600 in this zone also, and in SGX Nifty 17,630 like that. So I'm looking only for that, but we have to place a stop loss means for the shorter term also. If we place the here in this zone, it could be the invalidations for the level. So whether this is an expanded flat also, it can do like this only, not below this. But sometimes if any spike may occur and it will hit all the stop loss and it may go like this. So we have to anyway looking for the clear picture here. But my bias is it may reach the 17,500 550 zone in near this, and we have to look for the clear picture here. So I hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in tomorrow or today evening. I will update my that 8 to 9 o'clock. Within that, I will update for the pre-market predictions for tomorrow. So I got on work yesterday, so that is why I didn't upload it. I am uploading this video this morning. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.